Hey everyone, this is an exhaust video for my new 2013 Honda CB400 Super 4, or if you want to get technical, it's 2013 Honda CB400 Super 4 Hyper VTEC Revo. It's a stupid long ass name. I got an IXIL exhaust on there with no baffles in it, and this is what it sounds like. And as you can see with the RPM, once it hits the VTEC, it sounds completely different. It gets much louder. And you'll hear it in the flybys as well. It sounds awesome. And that's the fuel injection. So anyway, I'll start it up. It's ridiculous. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. So now I'll put some footage of some flybys.